Mo, this is what's going to happen. You're going to set that off. I'm telling you 100% the police are coming.
For what? It's Diwali. It's the Indian New Year.
Yeah, but you're not Indian, bro.
What are you talking? Get back. You don't know me. I was in Bombay.
No.
Get away from me.
No, you're pointing at me. No. Oh, Mo, that's the thing you hit here, bro. What was that, bro, you fucking idiot? What the? Sorry. He's mad. I mean, you firework at him, I'd be pissed too. Why the security guard?
It just moved out my hand. Look what happened to my hand. My hand burned.
How are we going to fix this?
He said he wants to punch me, man.
Yeah, he said if you go near him,
I beg you, let's walk, please. Let's go to Chelsea's house. She'll keep us safe. I beg you, please, Sam. Let's get out of here.
All right, let me tell him that you stay here.
I'm sorry, bro. Sam, what the...
No.